Hello guys, today I'm gonna talk about the basic audio manipulation using the basic tools in the toolbar of the Audacity like cut, paste and copy. They are very important, so let's start. So now we are on Audacity and you can see this is our toolbar where you can get basic tools. A lot of noise during that break. You can silence it using this. Audacity gives you an option to zoom into a specific part in the audio. To do that, use the shortcut keys Control 1. As we zoom in, you can observe the time over here, how precise you can get, and even observe the audio, how much you can see. See, that is the maximum zoom you can do. And to zoom out, you can use the shortcut keys Control 3. While doing any edit like cut, paste, copy, it is recommended to zoom in to get the best precision. By doing so, you can get the final result just as if it was a single track with no cuts and pastes. But yes, you need to be alert while doing so. So that's it for today. Hope you learned something new and enjoyed it. Next video, I will be showing you how to use the rest of the tools in detail. Don't forget to subscribe and do follow our social media handles for updates. Thank you.